Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, don't know if you can see it up here, but I got this shower head that I hate. Now I live in California, so they're all low flow. I want to install a rain one, you know, that's a square and it rains down. So I'm hoping that that'll put some more water on me like I like. So got to take this old one off, put the new one on. And I don't know if this is so tight, I got to get a tool. Nope, didn't have to get a tool. Water's low pressure. So when I put this on, I just put it on hand tight. This is the original shower head. So it's just threaded and it's fully round, so that means that you don't use any tools on it. That piece is plastic. That just goes up on that, and that's the threaded metal part that's coming out of the wall. You don't ever take that out. You always leave that hanging like that. If you need to do more than that, you call a plumber. And so you put some fresh Teflon tape on those threads. So let's go look at the other parts. Instructions, put some Teflon tape on it. We're gonna put that piece on it. We're gonna put that piece on it. And then I'll start reading the instructions even further. So let's do Teflon tape and put this piece on there. Then we'll come back. Okay, this is the new valve. This is what's going to go onto the metal piece coming out of the wall. And I had already installed it, but the video didn't turn out, so I'm reinstalling it. So this is redo. Okay, so while you have it down, go ahead and put some tape on the threaded part. So they give you a nice thing of tape. So put some Teflon tape on the threaded parts. Let's go install that. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, here's the valve that we're going to go ahead and attach onto this metal pipe. So look at your instructions and it'll tell you which way the orientation is, but it's pretty straightforward too. These have the threads like this. This has the internal threads. So what's the piece you're going to put up there? Make sure that it has the washer inside. Hopefully that's showing up. And give you a little wrench. Looks like it's a 23 millimeter, half or 1 inch, somewhere around there. So let's put this on, and you don't have to go super tight. Okay, get it on there nice and snug so it doesn't move around. Okay. Nice and straight. See if I can get you a close up of that. Okay. So this is the valve. Now that valve switches between this portion that's going to go to the shower head out here and this portion that's going to go to the wand that's going to go over there. And you have your tape on here and here. So let's go to the next section. Okay, it looks like the long piece I'm going to put on. I'll get my glasses again. See what that says. I can't read that. Okay, so it looks like there's the long piece. It says that there's a washer has been preset inside. I don't know if it means that means they're going to do it or I'm going to do it. So I'm going to get that, attach that to the top upstairs there, and then get the other part. And put the head on there, and a sand filter washer, and that'll look like that, and all that gets washers too. That's the restrictor that they show you. Like there's a couple of restrictors. Interesting. Here's the arm. This is going to go from the valve to the shower head. So make sure you get some tape on the one end where the threads are. That's going to thread into the shower head here. Got all smudged. It was prettier the first video. That didn't work. Okay, so let's go install this, and then we'll put the shower head on there too at the same time. Okay, it looks like the next piece is going to just be that hose to the handle. We'll have to check it for leaks. Okay, there's the one that's all smudged up from being installed one time. I want to make sure you got a little washer in it. This is the tube, so we'll attach that, and then we'll attach that into the shower head valve. So we have the nozzle part, and that's just screwed right onto here. And we have the other end of the hose will screw up to here on this valve. This looks like that could just set right in there. And then let's tighten that up. Okay, that looks like that might do it. I just barely fit underneath it. So let's see if we lift that up a little bit. Oh. Ones I used at the airport, the other hotel, they were up about 10 feet up. This isn't quite that. We'll see how it works. All I can do is hope. I hope it's not worse than the other one. there's the wand. The wand just slides right in there. Oh my God. And then there's the whole thing. It's straighter than it looks. That's just an optical illusion. Okay, there's the finished deal, rain shower head. So let's turn it on and watch it work. There we go. Success. Okay, make sure to be careful. Okay, there's the working shower head here on Hugh. So I'm gonna start asking people to hit like and subscribe. I don't care if you like it or not, but hit subscribe, will you? I need to get up to 1,000 subscribers if I ever want to make a nickel on this stuff, and I do. I'm retired now, so I need a revenue stream. Alrighty, that's it for Hugh. Where's that camera at? There it is. That's the camera. That's it for Hugh.